Hey everybody, I'm Kate Adam from Juniper Networks. Thanks for joining us today. I'm going to talk a little bit about Juniper Networks and all the things that we've been doing in the security space, because if you didn't already know, we do both networking and security. And the way we view security is it's really all about the data, right? Everything that we do in security is all about the data, from protecting it where it lives in its home in the data center, which the data center is now becoming more about centers of data and less about the data center. But then at the edge, it's really all about protecting access to that data. And so if you're gonna, if you do both, then you're gonna be able to better protect your business. So a little bit about Juniper's strategy when it comes to security, because I think all of you know us as a networking vendor. We are definitely up and comers and challengers in the security space. And this is why, because security is a mainstay in everything that we do, even throughout our networking portfolio. From our automated WAN solutions to our data center solutions to our AI-driven enterprise edge solutions, connected security is Juniper's strategy for delivering security to every point of connection in the network. And so we have a great portfolio of firewalls, virtual, physical, containerized, and you'll see today we also have firewalls as a service. But we also have security detection and enforcement that has been integrated throughout our networking portfolio, everywhere, from our routing stack to our switching stack to our awesome award-winning Mist wired and wireless solutions as well. And we do this for all segments. We are well known in the cloud provider and service provider space, but also in the enterprise space, because we deliver fast, reliable, highly performant networks that also provide really great security that has been proven to be effective against both commodity and new threats out there in the wild. So what does this look like? What is connected security really about? Well, our whole motto is experience first. We strive to put the end user, the folks, administering the network and architecting the security solutions, we want them to have a good time. If a solution is not easy to use, it's not going to be used well. It's not going to be used correctly, and it's not going to bring the value that customers want it to bring them. And so experience first means both experience for the operators, but also for the end users, the folks out there tuning into this presentation from their homes, from offices. Your network should just work, and security should be effective but invisible to you. And so that's really what experience first for Juniper Connected Security means. Diving a little bit deeper into how this works with the Juniper security stack is, we are protecting at the edge, the branch, the campus, the remote offices, the remote users, following the users wherever they go, following their devices wherever they go, and connecting those policies, those security policies to the data center, the centers of data, whether it's multiple private data center locations, multiple public data center locations, public cloud environments, making sure that we have segmentation, consistent security policy. We're protecting data in both applications and in the workloads that the applications leverage. But more importantly is providing that seamless experience, putting experience first for the end user with Security Director Cloud management to provide full visibility from edge all the way through into the data center, as well as a single policy framework, so that security is a lot easier to deploy, to maintain, to configure throughout the network, not just in one place. Whether you are using a more traditional on-premises security solution, or you're looking at moving your security stack to the cloud, with Juniper, the policy framework is exactly the same. The management UI is exactly the same, so you don't have to switch around.